Hi guys, today we're dealing with a screw in the tire. Looks like it's Phillips head, so we're gonna pull that thing right out of there. And it's still completely intact. This time the tire is completely flat. We're gonna load a plug onto the tool right between the eyes.
Road is your cross. This is a 63-year-old female with history of stroke, has elevated blood pressure, and experiencing fatigue.
You can see I'm having a lot of hard time getting it in there with no air in there. So now we put air inside the tire. You can hear it coming out. We're going to dilate the hole again, the other tool, and we're going to give it another shot. We're going to push the plug in the hole. The tool lets the tool retract and leave the plug inside. It's got rubber cement all over it, and we'll kind of glue in there. Now we're going to attempt to cut the leftover plug that's hanging out off with the wrong tool. Obviously having a really hard time doing it with an inferior tool here. A pair of end bites works the best, also known as dikes. And we got most of it nibbled off there. Over. Pressurize the tire a little bit. Check our PSI. Want it within a couple PSI all the other tires so that our TPMS light, our low air pressure light, turns off on the dash. For this Subaru, within a couple of PSI, it shut off on its own. Thank you.